Okay, so here we are, my friends. You see, today I'm trying to fix my Toyota Prius 3 wheel cover, steering wheel cover. You know, I have this kit, kind of synthetic leather, and let's see if it fits. You know, this fork here, this U shape, it should be on the front. There are no instructionals with this piece of replacement leather I got, so it's kind of tight so far. And the people who are selling this are saying that it's no need to take out the old leather because it fits. Yeah, it's looking pretty okay. I'm not sure, but I think it will be better if I'm taking this old guy out. Yeah, it's exactly what I'm gonna do. The point is that my old guy here, it's pretty, you know, it's pretty bad shape, so maybe I should take the wheel out. How I can do that? Oh, Now we have this tool over here. Let me see if I can, let's say we did that, and if we can fit this inside. Be gentle with this material. You know, it feels a kind of fragile to me. I don't like the way it stays here. Okay, maybe we should go like that. Down here, you see? It's a gap which it's way too big. No, not good. I have to take this out. It doesn't feel exactly like leather. It's more like a kind of board. Probably not, but that's my feeling. Yeah, I think it's much better without. I was afraid about this gap here. We have to fit it with something, and I will. Yeah, it's kind of dangerous and hard at the same time. Man, this is really hard work. This is, you know, this original is, it's really, it's baked. Let's have these guys. I don't think the Japanese waste their time to glue this, sew it back on the wood. That's the perfect tool to do that. Missing here. This was glued. Look here. This is glue. Okay. Here is okay. Here is okay. Just probably a little bit down here. Not too much. I should do some of this. It's kind of just kind of thicker, and I think it will behave better. Oh, I need some other spectacles. Okay. Got me some more tools, a cutter, and I need a lighter, because the best way to cut these synthetic threads are burn them. But I got no more gas in there, so come on. Okay, now it's full. Perfect. Spectacles. Let's start here, and I need kind of better. I'm gonna try to stick these guys first with double tape, like that, like always. Swiss Army knife, your best friend. You see what I'm talking about. And once we do the connection here, everything will be tight. There we go. It's getting closer. Number 2 here with number 2 down there. Yeah, it's pretty okay. I like it. So we are pretty good to go here, but I have to get finished somehow. How can I do that? Let me have some extra tension. Okay, and finito. Haha. Okay guys, first step, it's done. How's it looking like? I don't know, but for me it's okay. Same story with these guys also. You see, now I have to experiment. Aha. Okay, this one looks good. Yeah, pretty okay here. Probably I will try. You see something here, guys? I think I'm gonna start sewing this from the middle, you know, because the edges are very hard in here to be tied together in a perfect and elegant way. So that's why I'm gonna start from here with two pieces of thread, one up, another one down, and then it's very simple to adjust all the sewings, including here in this situation. All right, so two pieces from the middle. I can't see. There we go. I forgot that I have a clever car. You see, why should I bother? Know something? Double tape. Come on. Okay guys, it's looking like this. Maybe it's not perfect, but it's nice and tight, and this is the most important thing. I have a problem here. I have to get rid of this somehow, but I'll do that later. But for now I'm really satisfied with this, and it's time for the other branch. So even they are, I don't know, they are saying to use you know, to tie this from 2 and 2. No, I'll do it one by one for better fitting and for better. It's getting really tight. Maybe it's not so elegant, but I don't care. Much better than the old stuff. So I finished this side here. It's looking pretty okay, isn't that? And this one it's done. This one it's kind of messy, but it's much better than before, let's face it. And now I'm trying to have the middle here. The point is that now I realize we don't have to put anything inside there, because these joints here, this leather, this piece of leather, it's somehow getting into that hole. So yeah, it's kind of clever design. I didn't realize that from the beginning, but now I just take out these pieces of leather, because these joints here, and that should go into the empty hole here. Okay, something like this anyway. Double tape, that will keep everything in place better. Okay, I can already have this under the plastic thingy there, and I will start sewing this side from here to down here. Okay guys, I think it's done. We can see this here. All right, that's the first segment. The second one up here, it's looking good. Down here, you see, I choose to have this kind of sewing 1 and 1 instead of from 2 and 2. Why? I got the feeling that it's much better, you know, it's steady and it's firm. Okay, before anything else, you see, if you are trying to start a project like this, be ready to spend at least 3 hours. I started at 3 o'clock and here we are 3 hours and 38 minutes later. So it's taking some time, but it's fun in the same time. So here I am at the end of this project from my Toyota Prius 3 studio. And if you consider this useful, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, push like, and I'm waiting your comments and remarks, of course. Be creative and have fun. Bye bye.